Hi there, Mads here to share tips and tricks for your Panasonic PTZs. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to become a PTZ master yourself. And feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. In this video, it's all about image and how we at Panasonic strive to give you the best tools to be creative. So stay tuned. The UE160 is featuring our new Panasonic Pro AV standard image. It's a new common cross-category standard image, newly designed as cameras from different categories are increasingly used together in the field. Let's divide it in 3 steps. Firstly, it gives you a balanced and organic image that brings together the knowledge gained from our history of PTZ cameras, studio cameras, camera recorders, and cinema cameras. Secondly, a range of color reproduction settings to suit your needs, from faithful color reproduction to cinematic looks. And finally, a new image that suits the standard for future Panasonic professional cameras. It ensures the same image without discrepancies when using a combination of cameras from different categories in the field. On one end, you have HD, based on standards like Rec. 709. Normal is the out-of-the-box look, after color-corrected HD, where color reproduction of skin tones and memory color like green grass and blue sky is prioritized. Cinema 1 and 2 is based on the EVA 1 EV Look 1 and 2. V709 for V-Log monitoring is based on VariCam 35. V-Log in both Gamma mode and Preset Matrix gives you a wealth of information based on the VariCam 35, perfect for color grading in post. So as you can see, the UE160 with the new Panasonic Pro AV standard image matches professional needs, whether it's creating cinematic looks or reflect the reality. Thank you so much for watching. Let me hear what you think in the comments below. Until next time, see you soon.
Wow.